Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making ham and Redskin Scalloped potatoes. Alright guys, I'm starting out with a 9x13 baking pan. It's going to be a real easy recipe. I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray to help keep the potatoes from sticking. Now I have some Redskin potatoes here that I sliced thick in my mandolin slicer. You could also slice them thin, or you could also use regular potatoes if you want to peel them. I'm just going to go ahead and layer these in here. And I have roughly probably about 4 pounds of potatoes. You just want to take a minute to layer them in there. And they don't have to be perfect or pretty, guys. You just want to get them in there. Now I'm going to build one layer, and then I'll bring you guys back when I get the rest of it all layered up, because I don't want to keep you here on camera for 5 minutes while I'm doing this. Because I like making tasty recipes, not movies. Alright, now that I have my potatoes down, I'm going to take a little bit of salt. We're going to go light on the salt, guys, because our ham and our cheese is going to have some salt in it. A little bit of pepper. Now I have some deli ham here. This is imported ham. It's a cooked ham or baked ham that I cut up into little pieces. We're just going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of that in there. Just want to spread it around there, guys. And it is a cold, blustery day here in Pennsylvania today, so a baked dish in the oven is always a comforting, welcome treat, because that nice warm meal in your belly, plus the oven helps to heat up the kitchen. Alright, I'm going to take some cheese and put it in here. And I have some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Use any kind of cheese you like. Mozzarella cheese, Italian blend, Parmesan. That would all go great here, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the layers till I'm all out of ingredients. Alright guys, now that I have all my layers built up, and I forgot to mention, I used about a half a pound of that deli ham and about 3 cups of the shredded cheese. I have a pint of heavy whipping cream here. You could also use milk. I'm just going to go ahead and dump some of this down in here. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and dump the whole pint in. This will make it nice and creamy with that cheese in there, guys, as this bakes. Now I'm going to take some foil and I'm going to cover this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven covered for 40 minutes. Then the last 20 minutes of the cooking process, I'm going to take the foil off and let the top brown. So when my hour is up and this comes out of the oven, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, this just came out of the oven. It actually took an hour and 15 minutes to bake because I sliced those potatoes so thick. If you slice yours a little thinner, it'll take an hour. You can see how nice golden brown and delicious that is. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Potatoes are nice and tender. It's really cheesy, creamy, well seasoned. You get a little bit of that ham in there with the potatoes. Guys, that's really delicious. It wasn't that hard at all. And that's comfort food at its best on a cold, chilly autumn night. Alright, there you have it, guys. Redskin Scalloped potatoes. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.